Hey guys, so welcome to DelftStack, and this is how to read a message in Messenger without scene. So guys, I will show you multiple practical ways to do this. So the first one is, for example, my friend messaged me on a group. I'm gonna go ahead and see it on my phone. As you can see over here, I will have the notification at the top. And when they keep on messaging, as you can see over here, it will add up and I should be able to see here without getting a scene on the chat. Now, to turn this feature on, what you could try to do is just simply go to the settings into your phone. Now, over here, you could just simply go ahead and go for the apps over here. Now, here on the apps, you could just simply go ahead and go for the Messenger application. And now, if you cannot find it, you could just simply use the search icon at the top right corner. Now, over here, you will have an option over here, notifications if you scroll down. And now from here, make sure to turn on the chat over here and make sure to turn on the notifications if you don't see the detailed notification tab over here. So make sure to turn on the chats in order for you to have that feature to your phone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.